Welcome to How to Keto. Today we're going to be making chia seed pudding with an almond pecan mix. And these are the ingredients that you need. Pure vanilla extract. We have organic chia seeds from Better Body Foods. Blue Diamond Almond Breeze. This is the unsweetened vanilla. Almond milk with only 30 calories. Heavy cream. Then we have our homemade mix that has the almond, pecan, some swerve, cinnamon and cacao powder, and then the semi-sweet low-carb chocolate chips. And then these are just all you're going to need for that. And the empty mason jar. And then this is, you go ahead and pause the video on what you need and the instructions so you can get everything you need, come back, and then refer to this if you need to. It's a pretty simple recipe. So we're going to begin by, in the quarter liter or small basin jar or whatever other container you have that works for you. We're going to add the heavy cream, almond milk, vanilla extract, and stir well. It's a pretty quick recipe. Hopefully we don't spill. Very good. And that's the heavy cream that went in. Next is the almond milk, the unsweetened almond milk. If you want to change the flavor up, you can get the chocolate, the plain, and add what you want. Just try to be weary of the carbs. This is a quick dessert. It's very good. It also works as a breakfast replacement. Here goes the vanilla extract, which if you want to change that up, you can put almond extract or another flavor in there to kind of test out and see how it goes. And then we're going to stir. Stir well, that's it. That's it for the stirring. And next comes the chia seeds. This came with its own little scooper. 1 scoop, 2 scoops, 3 scoops. And that comes to about 2.5 tablespoons. Looks like 3 tablespoons actually. So you can do 2.5 to 3 depending on how many seeds you want. This is really up to you. But the carb count on the chia seeds is mostly fiber. So for the 2.5 tablespoons, which is if you want to go be very strict about your carb count, the 2.5 tablespoons ends up being, if I'm reading this right, 3 carbs. Now goes the mix. Now I'm gonna add the how to make this mix into the into our into our description, so you can see how to make the mix. And we went with 2 tablespoons of that. This is a homemade mix, and we use it in a lot of different things: ice cream, yogurt. This now you can use it as a snack by itself, but we use it in a lot of different things. I do not have the carb count on that, but I will work on that. And then the chocolate chips. My preference is not to put the chocolate chips in, but other people's preferences are to put the chocolate chips in. So if you like the chocolate chips, go ahead and put them in. Then you're just going to stir that up really quick. There's a lot of variations of this recipe on the web, on YouTube, on the web. So this is just our version of it that we seem to like. If you're going very strict with your carb count, then you should read every label and add it up. But I'll do the totals for you and put it in the description. So we're going to close that up, and then we're going to refrigerate for 30 minutes. So we just pulled it out a little more. So depending on it, the seeds help it thicken up. And depending on how you like your pudding, you may want to put more seeds, less seeds, just make sure you count the carbs. But the smell of this is incredible. Barry is patiently waiting for the pudding.